Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay someone with Bitcoin on Cash App. Open the Cash App on your phone and log in. From the home screen, tap the Bitcoin icon. This will take you to the Bitcoin section of the app. Here you will see three options. One is buy, another is sell, and there is a send icon. Tap on the send icon to start sending Bitcoin. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Make sure the amount is correct before moving to the next step. After that, you will need to choose the speed at which you want the Bitcoin to be sent. There are three options: priority, rush, and standard. If you choose priority, the Bitcoin will arrive in about 10 minutes. This option has the highest fee. The rush option will arrive in around 2 hours. Its fee is lower than the priority option. The standard option will arrive in about 24 hours and has no fees. Choose the option that works best for you based on how fast you want the Bitcoin to reach the recipient. After selecting the speed, tap Send. Cash App will process your transaction. You can check the progress in your activity or transaction history to make sure the Bitcoin has been sent successfully. Thanks for watching.